morning guys. So today we've headed out to Universal's Volcano Bay.
Ooh, we love it here.
Yeah, it's really nice. So just a fun water park, bit of a easy day, just lounging around, going in the lazy pool, hitting some of the rides as well.
Yeah, hopefully, I know they don't normally let you on with GoPros. Take it in the lazy river, we can go up the volcano.
We can get some good shots of the rides, like standing by them.
Yeah. But no, we're going to go now because we've got sort of TapuTapu and all that kind of stuff.
We'll explain about what that is. Yeah. But it's a lovely day as well today, so no clouds, so hopefully it's a great day for a water park.
So we just picked up a TapuTapu. Yeah, make sure you secure it. There's two little clasps to double secure it.
There we go, I'll demonstrate.
We still do like Aquatica, but it's just another level here with this big volcano, and it leads down into the rapids. And then they've just, you've got the white sandy beach. Oh, and then another little tip, if you go right, don't go to the first lot of lockers, because they're always the busiest. Go further round, go to the second lot. They're always a lot quieter, because there's not the biggest amount of space in there. So, you know, you don't want to be shoulder to shoulder with people wrestling for get towels out of lockers. And
and there's the Cabana Bay, so if you are stopping there, you're obviously getting great views of
I know. I'm guessing you have to pay a lot extra for a Volcano Bay view, but it, you know, it would be a lovely view. It's just so nice. Yeah, they have got Coke freestyle machines, so remember, if you did purchase your Universal mug, refillable mug, bring that, because we've got ours.
And I hope the water's as warm as it was at Discovery Cove.
Oh yeah, they normally do heat the water in. So keep an eye out for these screens dotted around the park that give you, obviously, well, they give you the time, but they give you the ride times. So if it says ride now, you don't need to enjoy I've read enjoy there. You don't need to use your TapuTapu. But you can still use it and get a time for later, but everything's pretty much a ride on. So it is, with your TapuTapu, when you're walking around, if you see one of these little symbols, normally it should work. If you put it on, it's got like a water feature you can start wetting people with, and it's free, even better. One of the best things about Volcano Bay is you don't even have to carry your ring up to the top. I know these are the big rings, but yeah, all the rings go up on like a conveyor belt. It's so much easier when you're walking up all them steps and you're bumping into people, and because it's horrible when people are bumping in you with their rubber rings in your back, and you're like, you give me a bit of space, please.
Do you think they'll let me sit on it and take me up?
No.
Right, so we're trying to rent a locker with cash. You have to use one of these cash machines. You have to put your TapuTapu on. So we're trying to figure it out now. Yes. Right, so I think it's $10.
Are we working?
Give me a second.
Do we have a locker? Sorry.
What?
Your locker is in a different bank? What do you mean? Have you paid for a mini one? Just try that one. Oh, there.
You are kidding me. It didn't give me an option.
So this somehow has got to go in there. So let me show you that again. So this big bag here has got to go in there.
Yes, okay, we're going to go talk to the lady.
It's not happening.
A few moments later.
Right, so with help from one of the workers, we're back.
It's cost $16 for a regular locker. We were so lucky.
$16?
It cost $10 for the mini. We're so lucky we've actually got 6 single dollar bills left.
Oh my, $16, that how much it costs? Couldn't we put all this stuff in his pocket somehow and taking it on the rides?
So in total, it's cost $27 to park. It's cost $16 for a locker. It's going to cost $10 to refill our refillable cup. Well, it's over $10 with tax.
And I haven't even had a cake yet.
No, I don't think you're going to have a cake. On the GoPro situation, I did ask...
No filming.
No filming, even if you've got it on a chest strap, head mount, wrist strap, whatever. Anything, they said they'll just make you take it off. So unfortunately, we can't film any rides. We can film the lazy river and the rapids.
Yeah.
And we can film in the volcano. But what we're going to do is we're going to start at one end, have a stroll round.
Try and find a drink station.
Yeah, because
I'm so thirsty.
Yeah, because it's November. Obviously, not everywhere's, not all the food bits are open.
No, or maybe they'll do it later on. Yeah.
So to get the main one is open, so we're going to stroll around to there, show you some of the rides, and then we're going to ride some ourselves after.
Of course we are.
So these are the first ones. I'm just going to put the names of them on the screen because they've got names I can't pronounce. So these are the big 5-seater ones. You can only go on minimum of 2. You can't go on your own. But these are really fun though. These are the ones, you know, with the big barrels in them and stuff. But oh, this sand is so warm. But yeah, like we said before, conveyor belts. So much easier just not carrying a ring. So these are Raki and Tonga. These are the double tubed slides. These are ones that I always end up, me and Stacey in the back of the head because she sits at the front and I sit at the back.
Me, you remember when you actually like kicked me around the back of the head getting off one and then like I fell off?
Well, you didn't move quick enough. So this one's the main attraction of Volcano Bay. This is Krakatoa, the aqua coaster. It's like a 4-person single lane coaster, and it actually picks up quite a bit of speed, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's my favourite.
Oh yeah, this is my favourite as well. But it's quite long. It goes through the volcano and it goes over the lazy river. No, it's a really, really good ride. You'll always go and have a bit of a queue for this one because, like I say, it's the main attraction. Right, Stace, do you need a swim diaper or are you alright?
I think I'm okay.
If you've seen any Volcano Bay advert, you'll see a massive blue slide of this one with 2 huge banks on it. This is again one of the 5-seater ones, but you get so high. You can just see that one there. You almost get to the top. We've gone on that a few times, and you do feel like you're going to tip out.
Yeah, it's a really good one.
Oh, you just saw it there.
This is one you need to hold on to.
Definitely, and if you're at the back, if your back is going up the raft, you definitely feel your stomach going, don't you?
Yeah.
Now this one, I don't have the cojones to go on. I'd love to go on. This is Koakari, the big body plunge.
With like the trap door.
Yeah, the one where you stand there at the top and you've got your arms crossed and it just drops out. But oh, I don't think I could do it. It's up there somewhere. This is where you come out. You've got your own like little section of water, so there's nobody else there.
Can you see at the top where you cross right near the
top yeah, it's somewhere up there at the top of the volcano, if you can just see that. It is backlit. But we've just got here and a little girl's just out, and she must have only been about 8. I'm like, oh god, that makes me look like such a wimp. Look. Oh, and another little girl's got out. Oh, so finally we've paid for our all-day refill on our cup. I think it came to $11.70 something.
That's what we have in care.
She always has Miss Pib Zero first. So these are your 2 drop slides. These are cool. Last time I went on the small one, Stacey didn't go on at all. This time I'm going on the big one. And Stacey said she's going on?
Maybe.
Oh no, we've said on camera now. Oh, there we go. Right, so we've switched to the GoPro. First off, the wave pool. I was going to say lazy river. Oh,
no.
That's
not that warm.
No, it's a little bit cool. It's not as warm as it used to be. I don't know if they turn the heater off. Need to put another $1 in the machine. Let's go in. Another TapuTapu, and this one's got remote controls, so give it a go. Oh, for that one, and then look, you can move them up and down. I don't know who we're wetting because there's nobody in there. So we're just about to go on TapuTapu, the Fearless River. You do have to wear, unfortunately, a foam jacket. They've got all the kiddie size, big sizes. Yeah, I don't feel like an absolute muppet wearing this, but hey ho.
Safety first.
Apparently so. Oh, this water's a bit warmer.
This is where Kev likes me going first, then he can wave me off down the river.
Yeah. See you, sucker. I mean, you might as well just... float away. I know, I prefer not to wear these, but we have to.
More wavier than the wave.
Yeah, it isn't it? I don't like these because you feel like you're just turning in them. See? I know, but I like going under the water.
Yeah, but you just slip.
I'm dizzy now.
I know, yeah.
Race.
Go!
Can't swim in this. You cheated. Cheated.
Oh, yeah.
Whee! See you, sucker. This is where I have to get out first. Woo! And then I have to try and hook Stacey out. You got me.
Yeah, you did it.
No, I'll drag you out by you. I've got you. Right, so now I'm just going to get a drink. I'm going to put you guys away in the locker because we can't take on the rides. We're going to go on the roller coaster and some of the ring rides, and then we'll pull you back out when we go in the lazy river. See you in a minute. And we're back. So we've been on a few rides.
Yeah, and now it's lazy river time.
Yeah, let's just chill out on a ring.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Oh. Ah. I'll get you. I'll get there. Oh no! Good sleds! There's no one there!
See, Kev, that's karma, that
There's
is.
no one! There's no one there!
I think we did it quick and then ran off.
Yeah, you better run off. Where have all these rings come from? We couldn't find a ring before. Oh, we're definitely going to get wet here.
You have to use your legs, that's the benefit.
Yeah, well that's cheating. Well, I can use my legs to jump on a ring. Ah! Oh! That is.
There was no avoiding that one.
I've buckled and got in the water now because it's a bit cold. Well, not cold, but there's a bit of a breeze.
Yeah. Oh, it's better like this.
I know, but now my arms are cold. So here's that Tapu. We're going to time it. I've just seen somebody.
I feel mean, but it is warm.
They're in the water anyway. Right.
As long as no one does it to us.
I've just seen somebody. In a minute. Right, you ready? You ready? Oh, I missed him. Right guys, that's it now. No more Volcano Bay.
I don't know what it is in Orlando, like the days are just getting really, really quick because today's gone quick as well.
It's, tell you what it is, it's some of these theme parks that don't open till 10 o'clock in the morning. You lose that extra hour and it just
like
feels...
you just need that extra hour in the morning.
Because it's like before you know it, it's 12 o'clock and it's like,
yeah,
where's the morning gone?
And then they shut at 5 and it's like, oh.
Yeah, I know, it's a shame really, would have liked to stay a bit longer.
But great day, great rides. We got to ride the Aqua roller coaster one 3 times and it's my favourite and it is the best one in the park.
And
it's
got 7 drops.
You counted them, didn't you?
We did count, yeah, it's got 7 drops. Yeah, we did the big rings, we did some of the double rings as well.
Yeah.
We did the drops. The only ones we didn't really do was the ones where you just go down flat on your back, just because they hit your back.
Yeah, we're getting old now.
Yeah, we're all getting a bit old. 7 ripples. It's lovely theming.
Yeah,
love the volcano.
Just felt like we're in like Hawaii or something.
Oh, I know, it's really made us want to go Hawaii. Island, because it's all the, I know, yeah.
We have so many things planned, well, that we want to plan, so yeah, we'll see what happens with that.
Because they've got the music going on as you're going round and you can hear like all the wacky music and all sorts of stuff. Oh, I really want to go.
We were doing some of this going round.
Oh yeah, but no, it's a great day out. Yeah,
just, fantastic, really chilled day. Apart from climbing all them steps to get on some of the rides.
Ready for a bit of food now.
It's a good job that they carry the ring up because it's,
it does help.
I think we've worked off, we can go and have some nice food.
Yeah, we worked off that food from last night so we can go and eat more food now.
Yeah,
I'm getting hungry now.
Yeah, definitely we've worked it off.
So let's go.
But stay tuned, we haven't finished just yet.
There's still a lot more.
Still more to come. I don't know whereabouts this will go out, so I don't know how many more after there'll be, but there's definitely something coming. We haven't finished, this isn't the last day yet.
No, not yet.
So as always, subscribe to our channel guys, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks guys.
Bye.
Bye.